Good morning, folks. Good morning. Happy Monday. We'll start here in 2 minutes. Questions, tickers, throw them in the comment box. You know the drill. It's time to crush 2026. My traders, primary reading, ES. R2I is doing the same. Check it out. VWAP, cross, momentum. Get on it. Guys, remember I'm broadcasting on both Instagram and YouTube. YouTube, if you prefer the horizontal screen setup, at Student Alpha is where I'm at. We'll start in about 60 seconds. Let people populate in. Good job, Evie. Get all over that. It's a 10-point trade, Evie, but you might want to just trail it. Yep, ES is a buy. So is RTY, guys. RTY gave the same signal. You have more overhead resistance in RTY, but it's a buy as well. So is gold. Gold's coming in. You guys better be ready. Look right here's your gold read. Gold level. And you don't have the momentum accelerator yet. So you take this and you're going to get it pushed up higher. Benefit of the matrix. All right, guys, let's get into it. I'm already long. I'm on top of it. All right. Let's see. Good morning. Happy 5th of January. Finally, should be a normal trading day, right? Normal. In other words, normal volume at least. Today, we have data, 10 a.m. ISM services, guys. You got three primary reads. My traders, ES, RTY, gold, silver already gave it. You better be on this. You better be on it. All right, let's get into it. So, if you're new here, I trade futures, spot, swing trades, pre-market scalps. I lead people through it. So, if you have any questions or tickers, you can throw them down in the comment box. Anybody on over there in YouTube land? All right, so S&P 500, I think it's going to lift today. ES, MES, open price 69.11. High day 69.27. Guys, it's given a buy. That buys 7 points ago. This momentum accelerator it's just going to keep going. So if you can get a retracement down around 23 to 24, my guys, take it. Low a day 68.99. Resistance at high a day in 7,000. Support at low a day in 68.70. The bias long above 69.13 right here. So we're taking longs above this. This was a fantastic long read. Guys, I talk about this all the time. You want to trade with me. It's really that simple. Look at this. VWAP confirmation, cross, momentum accelerator from the matrix. Man. And people wonder why we make money every day. Well, when you got education and leadership like that, look at this. Do you see that candle? Are you guys watching? Are you guys watching? I called this a buy. Called this a buy 90 seconds ago, and look at it. You see that big green candle? Yeah. You really got no excuse for not taking my free trial. You can trade all week with me. Right there. You just paid for your month in one trade. You're welcome. All right. RTY M2K gave the read also, guys. We're gonna hit resistance at 36. If you took the trade, you need to be out around 36. If you took that trade, actually, let me see here. Let me get it on the right time frame for you. Yep, right here was the trade. Kind of the same setup, guys. Okay, VWAP tap, cross into this. You want to be out in the next 6 points. So, guys, make sure you do that. Open price 25.24, high day. I got it wrong. It's 25.30 right now where it's at. Low a day 25.17. My numbers are jacked up. Resistance at high a day in 2600. Support at low a day in 24.95. Bias is long above 25.20. That was your long read. That was your long read. We'll find more. If you missed it, guys, we'll probably have to take a second on this. So this is the primary read. So let's get into questions, tickers, someone in the comment box. Get into gold, guys. All metals gapped up as we suspected after the Venezuelan deal. So gold, XAU, subtract 10. The math is easy. Open price 43.68, high day 44.52, low a day 43.53, sorry. Resistance at high a day and 45.85, support at low a day. There's going to be a lot of support here. You can see this because that's also the all-time high anchored VWAP. You don't think those VWAPs are critical? Look at that. All right, this gold was a buy right there. 44.25. Which means 44.15 in the underlier. 44.15 in spot, 44.25 in futures. Another great setup, guys. We do this all the time. Boom, boom, there it is. And then look at the momentum accelerator. It says it's going to keep going up at least to that level. Guys, when you come to my war room, This is the type of calls you get. Click the link in my bio and take the free trial. You won't be sorry. Trade with me all week. I mean, look at silver. I wouldn't personally trade it. I think it's just a little insane, but it gave the read also. So let's talk about silver. Open price for XAG, the underlier. Right here, you guys, you see it? This one. The charts look the same. Yes. You got to subtract 38 from the numbers that I give you. Well, why don't you give me the underlier numbers? Because I'm a futures trader. I like looking at my numbers, not your numbers. But I call them both. Don't worry. Don't panic. Don't freak out. Open price, 73.05. High day, 76.09. $3 spread. $4 spread. Low day, 72.50. Resistance at high day in 78. Support at low day in 70. Buy 70 if you see it, guys. It's that simple. Long above 74.25. Other than that, stay out of it. It'll rip your face off. Hey, guys, what's up? See you over there on YouTube. Thanks for chiming in. Platinum. Currently in a platinum trade, of course. I like trading platinum. For XPT, the underlier, this guy right here. Same chart, right? You just subtract 38. Open price, 21.71. High a day, 22.81. Low a day, 21.62. Resistance at high a day. Actually, we have a new high a day, right? No, we don't. We're going to challenge that high a day. Resistance at high day and then 2300, support at low, 2200 and low a day. I told everybody on my weekend report that 2200 was a buy. If you didn't buy at 2200, I'm sorry. You got to watch my weekend report that I put out in my group. All right, the 9-1 NAMO oscillators, guys, are -6 and -20. They're going to lift today, and so VIX is going to cool off. It's at 15. I'm going to talk about my swing trades. Make sure you have your questions in there. XPD. Palladium, yep. Remember, so if you watch the video that I put out, I said buy it right here, around 1680, and she's running. The next buy opportunity is probably going to be 1700 to 1725. There is support right here at 1736. She's gonna run also. Platinum and palladium are swing trades. Rasta. All right. So one of the benefits of being in my group, I put out a report every weekend about these guys. So if you like to swing trade and know key levels, I do the work for you. But let's talk about my swing trades. Tesla's at 443, overhead resistance at 500. NVIDIA's at 191. Guys, with NVIDIA, chase that bad boy upward. Doing exactly what I said. We have a lot of money in NVIDIA. All right. My stop loss is right below this candle. If we get price lift today, I'm worried about another local double top like we saw here. So price needs to close above 193 to break that double top. Otherwise, I'm going to hold my stop up as it breaks out. I'm going to raise my stop loss up. I'm going to be out of this before the market pops. BBAI is 584, still in the buy zone, guys. QBTS is 2848. Bitcoin has raised at 92.6. Still has, it's in a resistance zone, guys. It's not bullish again until it breaks 100,000. Ethereum's at 3151. It needs to break 3,500. If you want to learn this, I offer a money-back guarantee on my course. I have a free Discord. You can ask questions and charts to continue from these lives. But most importantly, guys, click the link in my bio. Join my VIP. Trade for 7 straight days with me. It's the best thing you can do. All right, I'm going to talk about my pre-market volume leader in a second, but I want to go look at your questions. Let's go look at it. I trade live the New York Open every day. Scanning through in your questions. Yeah, I'm a savage euchre player, but you know, most of the people on here don't know what euchre is. It's a card game, folks. Yep, we called ES a buy, RTY a buy. What's ES doing? Is she still running? Let's look. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at you guys go. So if you bought down here, guys, you can raise your stop loss up because it paid 31 points. Did you guys take 10? My traders, did you take 10? If you want to trail it, you need to be at 25. There you go. Bitcoin. Cartic. It's in a nasty resistance zone right now. Let's get into Bitcoin. Somebody wants to know about Bitcoin. So it's actually just entering it. So you can see this resistance zone, this red box that I have. It really needs, so it's actually a hair lower now because of that white white IPO. So 94 through 100,000 is going to be tough skating for Bitcoin. Until we overcome that level, it will not return bullish. Join my free Discord. Ask for my chart. For SOC, are you killing it, Joe? A lot of guys crushed that one. Right now, are you still in it? If you are still in it, I got kicked out on a trail. I would, if you bought it down around when I said buy it, I'd be about $9.90, just under $10 at psychological amount. If you want to be a little tighter, I still think it has really good potential to hit 13 to 16. These two lines here. So you just got to endure this little bit of drawback, but good job. A lot of people made money on that swing trade. When I get high conviction swing trades that I put my money into, I post them. Yeah. Yeah. Fire Zach Taylor. Crazy, right? All right. Good morning, guys. Let's see here. Can we look at CRML? Sure. That's why I'm here, guys. And if I don't get to your tickers, remember, go to my free Discord. Tag me in there and ask me for a ticker. I'll throw you up a chart. All right. Critical metals. Let's look at it. Let me look at the daily. So we got to know where that all-time high anchor VWAP is at 15. It's currently 18, which is a double above us on resistance. This thing ran quite a bit off of the metals thesis. Let me move this for my Instagram, folks. There we go. But right now, it is price lifted. There is no technical buy yet. The daily has not, let me zoom in here, has not flipped bias. Still short bias here. But if you like the thesis, right? If you like the thesis, you could start sizing in and around these levels. The reason why is the stop loss is really clear. You're going to use that swing low. So you're just going to be stop loss about 670 to 675 buying in here. And take profit one is going to be this anchor VWAP area between around $11 or all-time high around 15. So there you go. But that's a little risk if you like the thesis. What range will gold hit this week? I don't know. Let me get out my crystal ball. Let's see. Hang on a second. So gold has a lot of potential upward, but I can tell you that, I'll show you. Today, closing above this, here's your all-time high. This all-time high anchored VWAP at 43.94. And exiting this zone is very bullish for it. I would say we would, as this continues, we're safely probably going to test the all-time high at 45.50. If we get lucky, we might get to 4,600. So there you go. MP metals for a longer-term outlook. I did that in my weekend video. Did you watch it, Carl? Oh, let me put the right ticker in. There you go. I talked about this in the video. You're getting a buy signal out of here. So this is the buy setup that I talked about, buying in right around 51. It's at 56 now. Stop loss down here below the swing low at 47. You're targeting $15 of profit at these two critical anchored VWAPs and MP. Yeah, go check it out, Carl. It's posted in my channel. So, but there you go, my friend. So the close of this day is you're still within a trade. If you can get in and get a little bit of a discount, it's still looking good right now. All right, guys, let me get to my pre-market volume leader so I can get to my guys. If you have any questions, throw them in there. And again, you can go to my Discord and continue this conversation. Where am I at? Pre-market volume leader is MNTS. I've traded this one before. It's a pre-market volume leader with a move up of 45% on an announcement. It has to do with the aerospace industry. Previous day close was 574, which is our low fib. Pre-market high was 947. My area of interest, and it tapped into it after my report, so it may have played out. We'll see. But my area of interest was between 750 and 850, and I'm hunting 10% in this trade. This trade is not done. I won't disqualify it until it drops out of the box or it breaks that pre-market high. So, but at the time of my report, it kind of did what I was looking for it to do, and we'll keep it on it. This is looking pretty bullish. Now we have to consider that VWAP, which is now at 856, but we'll monitor it. Guys, I post this in my free Discord if you ever want them, right? I post them in my free Discord, pre-market volume leaders that you can trade. But if you want to trade them live and know my entries, you got to join my VIP where you get free 7 days. Guys, I see you have some other questions. I got to bounce because I got guys, savages that want to trade with me. If I didn't get your question, all you got to do is go to my free Discord and tag me, and I'll answer it there. Otherwise, we'll be back tomorrow. VIPs, here I come. We're going to crush 2026. If you're not a VIP, guys, yet, join 7-day free trial.